One of the things I like about orthopedics is it's high tech and it's also high touch. I get to talk to people and try to figure out what I can do for them that would improve their functionality and get rid of their pain and make them feel better. Hi, my name is Robert Leb. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I've been in orthopedics for a long time. I take care of bone and joint problems. I do a fair amount of sports medicine, and we do rotator cuff repairs and stabilizations of the shoulder and things like that. One of the advantages of working for university is we have the highest tech of anybody. If I need you to have a PET scan or to have a special study, I have resources throughout the whole network, the whole enterprise, to be able to send patients to nearly the world's expert in almost every field in orthopedics. Not every patient with the same problem needs the same solution. So very commonly, I try to get to know people and figure out what's going to work for them. And that's a nice thing about orthopedics. People come in, and most of the things we do for them is very elective. And when people come into my office after I've done something for them and their pain is gone, it's just incredible. Yeah, you couldn't, I love doing what I'm doing.